Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about 30 low competition Amazon KDP keywords that have really good high demand, and we're going to talk about some ideas that you can get started publishing low competition books using these keywords. Now the first keyword for the day is a really good keyword, and I saved it right over here. And the first keyword for the day is chess strategy for beginners, and it has a really good keyword niche score given by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension, and it gives us a keyword niche score of 63 and a total results under 1000, and it sits at 810 total results and an average bestseller rank of 329,166. Average reviews are 491 and average price is $13.77, indicating that the majority of these books are medium to high content. Now you could approach this wonderful keyword right here several ways, and it does give us a keyword niche score of 7 under Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. So you could approach this keyword in a couple of ways. First of all, you could create a medium to high content book, giving, like, for example, an ebook about chess strategies for beginners. If you do not like to create an ebook, or if you do not like to create anything high content, then you could create for example, a book that has little facts in there. It's like more of a medium content book where each page has a strategy, like for example 30 or 50 chess strategies that are for beginners, and each page has one strategy and talks about one strategy, and the font could be quite big as well. That way you could have, like, for example, 30 chess strategy for beginners mini book. You can create a series as well from this keyword. You can even create a scorebook, a chess strategy for beginners scorebook, where each score page or each tracking page has a bit of, like, some tips and tricks, some strategies, some motivational quotes, anything like that, or like from top chess players or top people that are in the chess industry as well. So there's a couple of ways to approach this, and this is a wonderful keyword that you can even niche down as well with this keyword, and I would like you to take advantage of this. And as you can see here, there are a couple of really good books that are ranking quite high for this, so please avoid the ones that are sponsored, which are usually the first 4 books. This book is ranking quite well. This is chess strategy for beginners, and you've also got a couple of other books as well that are independently published, such as this one, the chess strategy for beginners, winning strategies to conquer your friends. This is more of an ebook as well. Now if you don't like to write your own ebook, you could outsource that. You could rely on a good writer, for example, to write it, and you could also do a logbook as well, and select this keyword and import it either in the subtitle or in the 7 keyword slots, as part of the 7 keyword slots, to get your book ranking as well for that. So for this one's, for example, so it's mostly ebooks, but you could also create scorebooks, you could create logbooks, you could create a mini book that has 30 or so strategies in there. So just be as creative as you can. You can even create your workbook, which is more of an activity book that has that is designed to improve chess strategies and improve your chess playing as well for that. So for example, this one has 738 practical exercises as well, and this is sold by Amazon. This is independently published, pricing at $24.95. So just this one's like 101 chess exercises for beginners, and this is also independently published, and this is more of a workbook. This is something that we can also do, tactic workbook that explains the basic concepts as well as 1001 activities, chess activities that are designed to improve your chess skills. This is 500 chess puzzles as well. And there are a couple of other different ways to approach this niche. So this was the first keyword, chess strategy for beginners. We've got the validation from both Chrome extensions, self-publishing Titans, as well as Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, giving us a number 7, which means that this is a nice niche to approach. And third results are indicating that this is a Low competition book. Bestseller rank indicates that the books under this category or under this keyword are selling quite well. So please take advantage of this keyword right here, chess strategy for beginners. Let's dive into the second keyword for today's video, and the second keyword is senior dog picture book, and it has a keyword niche score of 44, total results under 1000, sitting at 780. The bestseller rank is quite high, so I wouldn't really take that into account based on the other analytics that I'm getting for this keyword. And we've got 48 average reviews, and also the average price is $11.13, and this was from self-publishing titans. Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension gave us a number 9, which categorized this niche as a great niche. So you're basically creating a picture book that has pictures of dogs in there, senior dogs as well, and you could niche down to different forms as well, or for seniors, for example. Sorry, my apologies. This is a picture book of puppies for seniors with dementia. So you can create, cute, or compile a list of images that are can be used for commercial rights as well, of puppies or of dogs that are designed to bring a smile for seniors, or people having Alzheimer's, or people having dementia, people going through a hard time as well, and they are dog fans. These little picture books of dogs can really help to bring a smile to their faces and really help to make their day as well. So there's one that you can also niche down as well based on the different types of dogs. You could also make senior dog picture book for adults, for women, for men, for grandma, for grandpa, that kind of thing as well. So take advantage of this niche, take advantage of this keyword, senior dog picture book, and we get a validation from Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gave this a number 9, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. Now let's dive into the third and final niche for the day, which is Sudoku puzzles for kids ages 8 to 12. And this is an amazing keyword right here. Self-publishing Titans has given us a keyword niche score of 57. Total results are below 1000, sitting at 656, and average bestseller rank is under 300,000, sitting at 267,845. Average price is $7.38, indicating the majority is independently published Amazon KDP books as well. So you're creating a bunch of Sudoku puzzles for kids between the ages of 8 to 12. You can niche down based on gender as well. You can also niche down based on the level, for example, easy to medium and medium to hard, and so forth as well. So there's a couple of ways to approach this beautiful niche right here, and please make sure to create an engaging cover that will really be cute, and that will be having bright colors as well for the kids, really big fonts that are suitable for the kids as well. And also keep in mind the best-selling books and where they are, what category they are ranking for. For example, this one is, if you just scroll through here, this one is listed under 3 categories. We've got number 564 in Sudoku, then in children's puzzle books, then in puzzle books in general as well. So there's a couple of things to keep in mind as well, and this is a great keyword to include as part of your title or as part of your subtitle as well. So we talked about 3 low competition, high demand Amazon KDP keywords for the day, starting off with chess strategy for beginners, giving us a keyword niche score of 63. Second keyword was senior dog picture book, giving us a keyword niche score of 44. And Sudoku puzzles for kids ages 8 to 12, giving us a keyword niche score of 57. If you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.